Hi everyone! Carnival Escape is another beautiful book by Jade Gedeon, designed especially for coloring with watercolors, and it has the same size and the same highest quality as her sisters, which are Island Escape, Thailand Escape, and Rainforest Escape. The size is the same, maybe it's just not so thick as the Island Escape and the same thickness as the Thailand Escape. So inside we have a real watercolor paper covered with of the textured cardstock. I would highly recommend this book for you if you like to color beautiful different dresses, because inside we have not only the pictures from the Brazilian carnival but also a lot of beautiful historical and ethnical dresses. Here we have Egyptian, Greek, Roman dresses. Some pictures are inspired by Mexican culture, some by Carnival in Venice or Carnival in New Orleans. And just like in the other books, the most detailed and beautiful pictures are on the five huge foldouts. You can watch how I colored a page from this book in a separate video. And I would highly recommend books by Jade Gedeon if you decided to learn coloring with watercolors, because this book has the best watercolor paper, and I don't know any other book with such a quality of the paper, printing and binding. You just have to pick what do you want to color. If you want to color sky and ocean, you have to pick Island Escape. Or if you want to color more leaves or interesting animals, maybe you need to look at Rainforest Escape. For me, the best book from the series is Thailand Escape, just because I'm really very interested in Thailand architecture, but I am in love with all of my new three books. Thanks for watching, and until the next videos. Bye bye.